Welcome to Like Health. I didn't believe it either, until I tried drinking okra water every morning for 3 weeks. At first, it felt like just another health trend. But then something strange started happening. My digestion improved almost overnight. No more bloating, no more discomfort after breakfast. By day 5, I noticed I wasn't crashing in the middle of the day. My energy felt steady. Then my blood sugar reading started to shift, and I thought, is this really from okra water? My joints, especially in the morning, didn't ache like they used to. That inflammation was going down. I felt lighter, mentally clearer, and, this shocked me, my skin looked fresher. That's when I knew, this simple drink was doing something real. And guess what? It cost me nothing. No supplements. No prescriptions. Just okra soaked in water overnight. This isn't hype, it's a powerful natural remedy that's backed by science and ancient tradition. In this video, I'll show you 8 surprising health benefits of drinking okra water in the morning, and why it could change your life too. Especially if you struggle with blood sugar, joint pain, poor digestion, or low energy. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly why this works, and how to use it correctly. Let's get into it. Benefit number 1. It dramatically stabilizes blood sugar levels. Here's what shocked me the most. On just the 3rd morning of drinking okra water, I tested my blood sugar. It was the lowest it had been in months. I thought it was a fluke, but the same thing happened again the next day. So I started digging, and what I found blew my mind. Okra contains compounds like myricetin and quercetin, which help increase insulin sensitivity. Even more powerful? The gel-like fiber in okra slows down sugar absorption in the intestines. This means fewer blood sugar spikes, and fewer crashes. One 2011 study in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences found that okra extract significantly reduced blood glucose in diabetic rats, almost as effectively as medication. And all I was doing was drinking okra soaked in water overnight. No pills. No expensive diet plans. Just a natural, simple change in my morning routine. If you're pre-diabetic or struggling with sugar crashes, this could be a game changer. And that was only the beginning of what okra water did to my body. Let's talk about the next benefit. Benefit number 2. It gently detoxifies your liver and gut every morning. Around the 6th day, something unexpected happened. I woke up feeling lighter. Not just in my body, but in my mood and even my skin. That's when I realized, this wasn't just blood sugar, it was deep detox. Okra water contains flavonoids and polyphenol that protect the liver from damage. In fact, researchers found that okra extract reduced liver enzymes and fat buildup, especially in people with fatty liver. It's like giving your liver a mini tune-up every morning. Even better, the slippery mucilage in okra acts like a broom in your gut, sweeping out waste and toxins. I noticed my digestion was smoother, my breath fresher, and, yes, less bloating. This wasn't some harsh cleanse with side effects. It was gentle, natural, and it started working from the very first glass. And here's the kicker. Some scientists believe okra may protect against colon cancer by reducing inflammation in the gut. So you're not just detoxing, you're guarding your long-term health. Still think okra water is just a trend? Wait till you hear what it does for your joints. Benefit number 3. It soothes joint pain and destroys inflammation. I didn't expect this one at all, but around day 10, I noticed something unusual. I was walking down the stairs, and my knees didn't ache. That creaky, stiff feeling I'd gotten used to every morning? Gone. Okra water, it turns out, is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It's packed with vitamin C, which helps rebuild joint cartilage, and antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, the root cause of chronic pain. Studies show that the compounds in okra, like rhamnogalactranin, actually block inflammatory pathways in the body. That means less swelling, less stiffness, and more freedom to move. For people with arthritis, this could be better than over-the-counter pills, without the side effects. Even more surprising? Okra is also rich in folate and magnesium, which help relax muscles and calm nerve pain. It felt like my joints were getting oiled from the inside out. No gym, no therapy, just a glass of water I made at home. This one benefit alone made me stick with it. But okra water didn't stop there. It started changing my digestion too. Benefit number 4. It transforms your digestion like magic. I used to think feeling bloated after meals was normal, until okra water proved me wrong. By the second week, my stomach felt flatter, calmer, and somehow, lighter. No more gas. No more uncomfortable fullness. That's when I realized, okra water was quietly working wonders on my digestive system. It's rich in soluble fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut, your microbiome. A healthy gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, and even better mood. But that's not all. The mucilage in okra coats your stomach lining like a soothing gel. It can help relieve acid reflux, constipation, and even mild ulcers. In traditional medicine, it's been used for centuries to treat gut inflammation naturally. No wonder I felt better after every meal. It was healing me from the inside. Scientists even say okra may help protect the intestinal walls and reduce leaky gut syndrome. And all I had to do was sip a glass of this green magic every morning. Now imagine what happens when you do this consistently for 30 days. Let's move to the next benefit, because this one caught me completely off guard. Benefit number 5. It supercharges your heart health naturally. Now here's something that really caught me off guard. My blood pressure readings started dropping. At first, I thought my monitor was broken. But no, okra water was quietly helping my heart without me even noticing. Okra is loaded with potassium, which helps relax blood vessels and flush out excess sodium. That means lower blood pressure, smoother circulation, and less strain on your heart. But it gets better. Okra also contains pectin, a type of fiber that can reduce bad cholesterol, LDL. One study from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that okra extract reduced cholesterol by up to 30% in test subjects. That's without statins, without side effects, just nature doing its job. Over time, this can mean a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. I felt calmer, my pulse steadier, and I was sleeping better too. It was like my body finally found its rhythm again. And the best part? I didn't even change my diet, just added okra water in the morning. Ready to hear how it started changing my skin next? Benefit number 6. It clears and brightens your skin from the inside out. I wasn't expecting this, but around day 15, people started asking me what I was using on my face. The truth? Nothing had changed, except the okra water I drank every morning. Turns out, okra is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and collagen-boosting nutrients. These don't just protect your skin, they repair it. Vitamin C helps fade dark spots, reduce acne, and tighten the skin naturally. Meanwhile, okra's antioxidants fight off free radicals, which are the main cause of premature aging. And remember that gut healing we talked about earlier? That's the secret link. A healthy gut equals clearer skin. I noticed fewer breakouts, a smoother texture, and even a subtle glow. No expensive creams, no facials, just hydration and nutrients from inside out. In Ayurvedic medicine, okra is considered a cooling food, known to purify the blood and skin. 1 glass a day was like pressing reset on my face. Now imagine what it could do for you in just a month. But there's one more system okra water affects that I never expected, your immune defense. Benefit number 7. It strengthens your immune system like a natural shield. About 3 weeks into drinking okra water daily, I noticed something subtle, but powerful. Everyone around me was catching colds, but I felt totally fine. No sniffles, no fatigue, just strong, steady energy. That's when I realized, okra water was quietly boosting my immune system. It's rich in vitamin C, zinc, and immune-supporting antioxidants that help the body fight off infections. But here's the wild part. Okra also contains a rare compound called lectin, which some studies show can slow the growth of human cancer cells. It also helps stimulate white blood cell activity, which is your body's first line of defense. And since it's also reducing inflammation and detoxing your gut, your immune system gets even stronger. No wonder I wasn't getting sick. My body was becoming naturally resistant. It felt like building an invisible armor from the inside. And all I had to do was drink it first thing in the morning. Just wait until you hear what okra water does to your weight and appetite. Benefit number 8. It controls cravings and helps you lose weight naturally. This one surprised me the most, because I wasn't even trying to lose weight. But around day 20, I noticed my clothes were fitting looser, and my cravings had disappeared. I didn't feel like snacking all the time, and I stayed full longer after meals. The secret? Okra water is packed with soluble fiber, which expands in your stomach and keeps you satisfied. That means fewer hunger spikes and less emotional eating. Plus, the fiber helps balance blood sugar, so you don't crash and crave sweets. But it gets even better. Okra also contains amino acids and B vitamins, which help boost your metabolism and support healthy fat burning. One study even found that okra extract reduced body fat accumulation in animal models. I wasn't dieting, I wasn't counting calories, just staying consistent with this one morning habit. And day by day, I started feeling lighter, more energized, and more in control of my body. All from soaking a few okra pods in water overnight. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful habits I've ever added to my life. Now imagine doing this every day. What could your body feel like in 30 days? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new